stressed out. Talk to me, buddy. What's
I
going on?
am stressed. I mean, you heard about the tornado that's coming, right?
Oh, yeah.
Well, okay, so, I mean, we're doing the best we can. We got, like, some food rations. We're nailing down some furniture. But me and my family are freaking out.
That's too bad.
Well, aren't you a little freaked out, too?
Oh, no. We have the Granger ISS.
What's the Granger ISS?
You don't know what a Granger ISS is?
No.
It's only the best tornado shelter.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a foam-filled and insulated, super strong, durable. It can last up to 1,000 years. It exceeds FEMA standards, and it's perfect for your single-family home.
Well, that sounds awesome, but, I mean, do you think it's, like, a little overdone? Like, what's the actual risk that a tornado that powerful is going to come?
Dave, you have life insurance, don't you?
Well, yeah, I mean, of course.
This is like life insurance, only better, because it will actually save your life.
Never thought of it that way. Can you tell me more? Actually, can you sing me more?
Sure can. You say you're looking for protection, somewhere to go, to protect your family. Shooby-doo-wop, bop, shooby-doo-wop. And if you believe in natural selection, well, you know, you better listen to me. No need to worry about destruction. The Granger ISS will keep you safe. You can know it's gonna be alright for you and your family. Alright, you can know it's gonna be alright. You say you need a real solution, 'cause right now you don't really have a plan.
No, I do not.
No, I do not need a monetary contribution. Well, you know, they now have financing on hand. The season is coming, so don't delay. Get a Granger ISS today. You can know it's gonna be alright. Alright, you can know it's gonna be alright. Alright. GrangerISS.com.
I'm going there right now.
Ooh, I hope they have Russian